Is there anything in the economy that's flashing red?
I really don't think so, no. I think there are always risks. I mentioned the risk of the spread of COVID. We're seeing more COVID cases again. Many parts of the country, as you know, are reopening with enthusiasm, and time is going to tell whether that was premature. But we do see cases moving up again, not at a high level, but it's you wouldn't want to see them moving back up. You'd want to see them flat or continuing to decline. They're at much lower levels than they were in the winter. Vaccination is helping, but that's I think the main risk to the speed of the recovery.
Can the United States spend trillions on COVID relief and trillions more on infrastructure and social programs without setting a match to inflation?
We're not responsible for fiscal policy, and we're reluctant to offer advice to Congress. But we've been through times with very large fiscal deficits recently, for example, right after the global financial crisis, and inflation didn't really react to that. If you go back to the 1960s and 70s, then fiscal policy was a big driver of inflation, and deficits were possibly. There are a lot of theories on that, but you don't really see that now. Ultimately, can we afford to spend the money? I would say it this way. The U.S. federal budget is on an unsustainable path, meaning the debt is growing faster than the economy, and that's kind of unsustainable in the long run. That doesn't mean debt is at an unsustainable level today. It's not. We can service the debt we have, we can service the debt we're issuing, and that will remain the case for the foreseeable future. But we'll have to return to a sustainable path. The time to do that is when the economy is strong and we're fully recovered and people are working and taxes are rolling in. The time to do that is not now.